Hey everyone, how you doing? We just arrived in Georgetown, Penang, took the ferry over here, and we left Ipoh this morning by train. And let's take a quick apartment tour. We got an Airbnb, first time in a while. Through the door, off to the right, we've got a kitchen, first kitchen in a while. So it's nice to be able to cook some meals again. Looks like 2 burners, microwave, rice cooker, toaster, nice deep sink, and we've got a washing machine also for the first time in a while, so that's going to come in really handy. Looks like a decent vacuum cleaner. Very sterile unit, as Sunny said. Yeah, it's not a lot of decorative features, but it's big and clean, so we're good with that. Over here is a nice size flat screen TV, and I like the couch setup because it's not cloth. Sometimes those get dirty. This is long enough for us both to lie down. I'll show you out the window at the end here. And this is, I think, the first place we've had that is a 3-bedroom unit. So we got 1 bedroom here. Each has its own AC unit and ceiling fan, which is nice. Bedroom number 2 here, which I think is going to be storage, probably like bedroom number 1. Again, AC and ceiling fan. And we got 2 bathrooms. Bathroom number 1, and some dresser, chest of drawers there with a lot of towels on top, which is nice. Here is, I think, our bedroom. Again, ceiling fan and window. So there's the water over there. AC unit there. Our ensuite bathroom here. And let's go out and peek out the window in the living area. You can see down below there is a massive pool. Oh yeah, there's someone swimming laps. Check that out. Right in the middle of the pool. Looks pretty cool. So there's a big shopping area down below with lots of stores. I think we've got restaurants and grocery and water out that way. That's it. Be here for 28 days.